Good morning, everybody. It's so nice to be able to see you in person today instead of looking at you through little computer screens. So it's lovely to be able to welcome parents back again to St. Christopher's School. So the children have been practicing, they've been getting ready for this show, and I've just heard from some of them, they were so excited last night that they couldn't sleep. Is that right? Yeah, so they are really looking forward to performing for you today. So, children, have you brought your big voices with you this morning? Yeah! Sorry, your big voices? Yeah! Perfect, that's what we like to hear. So they've been doing lots of work about the oceans and protecting and looking after the oceans. And this morning their little presentation is about the oceans, and they're going to share some of the work that they've been doing in class with you. So I'm going to hand over this morning to the wonderful, the amazing 2F. Sorry, 2A.
Welcome, me hearties, to our class assembly. I would like to introduce you to our wonderful pirate crew.
After much merriment and the jolly jellyfish we have taken to the high seas.
But our ship is just a little different to a normal pirate ship. Everything aboard the plastic pearl is made from plastic. The crew's shoes, boots, coats, peg legs, patches, and even the captain's hat. Plates, bowls, bags, and the latest hooks.
We don't hunt for gold and silver. Oh no, we want plastic and lots of it.
When we don't need the plastic anymore, we just throw it overboard. It's great! It's great! We're not sure the animals of the ocean agree, but we don't care. Let me take you to the Argo Octopus Deep Sea Hospital, where things are particularly busy today.
I don't know why I'm looking.
You're going to stay on the end to help people roll too.
if we don't keep the plastics out of our oceans, we'll be in real trouble.
I almost choked in a plastic bag last week. Next time I might not be so lucky.
My tummy ache is getting worse and worse. Any more microbees, I'll be a goner.
It's the same old thing. Plastic tummy ache.
See what the mountain of plastic does to our health service. We're living in a plastic soup. From Mother to where we move. We don't know what to do. It's getting beyond the joke, that's true. Soup, soup, we're living in a soup. We're living in a plastic soup. We need to have a plan right now and find a way to somehow gather around, have a think before it gets beyond the brink. Soup, soup, we're living in a soup. We're living in a plastic soup. We're living in a plastic soup. From bottom to where we move. We don't know what to do. It's getting beyond the joke, that's true. Soup, soup, we're living in a soup. We're living in a plastic soup. We need to talk with the pirates. I'm sure they would change their tune if they realize how many problems their plastic booty is causing us. Not booty bottom, booty treasure and gold.
Let's go and speak to them.
Let's go and speak to them. Excuse me, pirates. Can we have a moment of your time? Please help us. We don't like all this plastic.
This is incredibly dangerous.
Stop it, it's making us ill.
Stop throwing all of that plastic into the sea. Help! We're desperate!
Help! We're desperate! We don't care. We love plastic. Go away. We love Florence. Cannot live without it. It's amazing here at Space with Plastic. We just love it. Nothing's above it. So it's your plastic mind.
the sea creatures, and it's making them ill. Oh dear, we don't want to hurt any sea creatures. Maybe we shouldn't use so much.
We have to stop throwing the plastic in the ocean.
We got the plastic that we need.
Yes, I suppose I don't really have to replace all my jewelry every week.
I threw 3 buckets overboard last week, even though they were perfectly alright.
What about the messages in the bottles? I suppose we could just send emails.
We could get refillable bottles to drink from.
We could use rucksacks bags for life instead of plastic carrier bags.
I have a new one.
Well, that's why you shouldn't have thrown that plastic into the ocean. Maybe next time you can remember.
Oh no! What will we do?
Oh no! What will we do?
We could fix for it. We'll cast out the net for recycle the lot.
Recycle, recycle.
Yo-ho-ho! Brilliant!
I stay here.
I'm at the end too.
I'm Lily at the end.
And from that day on, we went back to plundering gold and silver again. And the plastic. Well, we recycled a lot. Look at our wonderful pictures. We also created posters about sea pollution to make sure the sea creatures don't get caught in any more plastic.
We hope you enjoyed our assembly. Remember to recycle your plastic and save our ocean creatures.
I'm waiting until my feet to sit down because I'm supposed to be on the middle lesson. And remember, recycle, reduce, reuse.
Which one shall we have?
We love
Okay.
We are good.
done, children. That was absolutely fantastic. Did we all enjoy that? Yes! Now, at the end of a wonderful production like that, you've done such a good job. I think you all need to stand up, children. And I'm going to count to 3, and then we're going to take a bow, okay? And then the audience will go wild. So after 3, 1, 2, 3.